Hey everybody, welcome back. Insert witty saying here. Oh, I don't know what's going on. I didn't look around at all last night, which is usually a sign it's time to make tremendous forward progress, but we don't really have a lot of that to do either. We're kind of waiting. Oh, we've got new science off. That's nice. I'm probably gonna have to make sure these stay supplied, right? Probably gonna have to look in later on and tell the whale to move. That's alright. I can do that. Where are my brains at? I really should be upgrading these specifically. But, not really doing that, am I? Well. More brains. More waves of brains. Yes, more. Alright, so that's fine. Nitrogen is pretty low, right? We keep running up against it, and it's shown most with molybdenum processing, question mark? Yeah, right here is where we get hit. And for the moment, we're all right, but that is just momentary. So, what should I be doing? I guess more hot air, lots of frowny faces. Oh, I don't want to do this. Because just copy paste, right? Copy paste. Like we can, I guess, prod and beacon this more. It's kind of beaconed right now. It could be more beaconed. And then maybe sped a little bit and squeeze like an extra 30% out of this. I am not sure that's worth it. Actually, this looks full up. No, it's not full up. Hot air. Yeah. Yeah. That is peaking. This is fluttering just below peak. Alright, so let's go get a bunch of paving equipment. Go pave this over. Then install 2 of these. It'll be a little different. Just a little. Alright, it's fine. Let's go do that. What do I do after? Hopefully nitrogen's done afterwards. And I can make a, why'd I put all this stuff in here? Probably need more, right? I always need more landfill than I think. Then we have to pick our direction after this to decide what we want to do. I think using keratin is a pretty good goal. Alright, so we're going all the way to here, right? Let's just come here and draw a line. And eventually we're going to get all of it, so don't be too fussy. Usually I tell stories. I don't really have any stories. I just was sick all Christmas break. Oh, man. Got stuff moving. I have way too much stuff moving. I have this nice CNC machine I bought, which I haven't touched. Lost a oh. I guess I should have gotten way more landfill. It's a little thing. It's a toy. It is entry-level consumer-grade CNC machine. I think the hardest thing it can mill is brass, which doesn't matter at all because it's just going to be touching wood for a while here. And that, of course, assumes I'll be able to get the time to use it. Well, maybe one day the factory will be finished. Like I said, I think this is going to be the end of the channel after I am done with this factory. I've got way too much to do. Way too much going on in my life. It's going to have to step back, like be a kind of once a week kind of thing. Maybe a development sort of thing. People might tune in for that. I've got plenty I can be doing for the Pyanodons mod. And they would be absolutely thrilled if I did help out, so I should probably do that. That's a good use of my time. Oh, we're getting ahead of ourselves here. My ever so copious free time. Nice that it just snaps in like this now, though. There isn't a whole lot going on. Oh, it's New Year, back to work. Normalcy has resumed. No one's a fan of this. No one asked for any of this. Everyone's kind of hollow-eyed, shell-shocked. Oh, yeah, I'm tired all the time, too. Pretty sure that's just holdover from the sickness, and not like some additional sickness. Sleepy sickness. Nurgle wants me to go incubate. Don't worry about anything, Nurgle says. I've taken care of everything. Nurgle, so polite. Alright, one more. Oh. I've kind of messed this up, haven't I? At least it's funny looking, right? Okay, we can fix it though. The factory's going pretty well. We're at the stage where it's now exotic bottlenecks being plugged. Like hot air. Here, more. There you go. I went to a seafood restaurant, which is a terrible idea because I'm kind of allergic to seafood. Why didn't you put that down? Was I hallucinating? Was that just not there a second ago? Why didn't I see that thing? Where's the thing? Anyway, kind of allergic to seafood. Makes it a really dubious proposition. But I went anyway, because a bunch of friends were going. And so I had to order the chicken dish, which I'm pretty sure was just on the menu for punishment, to bait people who don't eat seafood. Why did you come to the seafood restaurant if you're not going to eat the seafood? Here, have this punishment loaf. And they just utterly screwed that thing. That piece of chicken came as a mass of just burnt breading. Just straight up burnt. It was absolutely inedible. I paid a lot of money for it. Shouldn't I have, no, this is right. This is correct. It just doesn't really look correct. There's no point to this story. It's just when you go to the seafood restaurant, they really do expect you to order seafood. And if you do not, there might be consequences. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. This is gonna be a little tricksy, isn't it? Same problem right here. Oh, we're out of pipes, and I just clipped that. Alright, great. I just caused a problem. So we need we need 8 Mark IIs. Alright, that's all it's used here. And then a whole lot of regenerative heat exchangers. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 times 8. That's 64 regenerative heat exchangers. I know what I'm gonna find when I open up this bin. It's gonna be not that. Take that. Take that. Regenerative heat exchangers? No. Where do I keep these neglected objects? Yeah, right there. That is nowhere near enough. Nowhere near. Boop. Boop. Alright, so what else? Whole bunch of pipe. I seem to remember that, right? Brief efflorescence of memory says you need way too much pipe. And then I just have to go see how many regenerative heat exchangers are out in the wild. There's the good ones, and then there's the ones I care about. I should get a stack of the good ones too while I'm here. Most of them come back, but let's not think about that. Where do we go? Where are we going? They're one-offs, right? They're probably coming from wherever those guys are going. Heat X. Ah, almost there. Alright, what we got? And we don't put any of them anywhere. We have to wait for them to come around. Okay. Alright, so this is going to be a while before this is fully turned up. That's fine, I suppose. And go maybe distribute incubators to the other place we left half finished. Doesn't that sound like fun? Alright. At least it's very tidy to put all this down. I don't know what this is. This is probably not relevant to my... Like, none of this right here relevant to my interests. Let's pick it all up. And we'll handle that in a minute here. Alright, so we have basically... Oh, we should have got a bunch of heat pipe and a bunch of heat exchangers, too. I don't think we need any of this, actually. Which is going to be a shame, because we're going to be wasting some material. That's alright-ish. That's going somewhere? Oh, it's going over here. Alright, how can we hook this up reasonably? Well, we have to go get power bricks from up there. So all of this is really kind of not needed. Which I probably should have... Oh, I should have gotten some displays too. Like this whole line right here, not really needed. Maybe will be needed one day. Watch this space and see if I put it right back. That would be funny. And then, what am I doing with this corner? I guess we're going to invert this, I suppose. Right there to right there. And then hopefully one day we'll need this basic science pack, automation science pack. There, the pattern is kept. The deal is restored. All is well. Where does this floor go? It just goes straight to the giant automation science node. Are we keeping up with science? I would hope so. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty. 30 a minute's pretty good, I think. And there's a few upgrades on my way here. Alright, so firstly, I say, let's get rid of the ash. Secondly, I say, let us get in the fuel. So like that. Down. Here, take that. Alright, this will start heating up. We need heat pipe. And we need to connect together all these pipes right here. We're sharing infrastructure. That's why we did this here. So, off we go. Heat pipe, displays. Probably only 4 displays. Any regenerative heat exchangers which might be around. Hint, 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 hint. Alright, some came in, but nowhere near enough. Here, who wants jerky? Not me. 4 displays, please. A whole lot of heat pipe. Anything else that I remember? Alright, we'll be back. There's no way this is going to be one and done anyway. And hopefully we'll have time to work on nitrogen. Then, having worked on nitrogen, maybe there'll be something better. Are we good? Oh, we're missing a bunch of bulk inserters. Uh-oh. Because I don't make those. Is this where I finally make a bulk inserter maker? I guess the answer is yes, right? Alright, fine. You got me. Let's make some infrastructure. There's a role for them. Where is inserter land? How do we make a bulk inserter? Right here. Fast inserter and a whole electric engine unit. Wow. These guys are a whole lot worse than stack inserters. I mean, a whole lot worse. We need them for something, right? Bulk insert. Oh, there's a better recipe. Oh, this is what we want to do. They need SSP, but everything else is much cheaper. All right, so we want to do this. And then bulk inserters go in. No. We're going to need them for the next level wood processing unit, which we 100% want. So, I guess. This isn't even that expensive, except for the biopolymer part of it. We need them for these, and these we're going to use everywhere. Alright, so we got to make them. Give me a factory. Automated factory. Like normally I'd want to put a thing right there. Well, we have a problem with our thing. Which I could probably move around. Oh, why'd I put the requester tank right there? That's kind of awkward. Awkward, and it throws off this entire design. Oh well, nothing for it. Then we have to get bulk inserters out somehow. Just put them on the robo network. Okay, I can do that. Alright, you are making bulk inserters, not by that recipe. You're making bulk inserters. There you go. That's the ticket. It can't be prodded. Can the other one be prodded? No, cannot. Alright, understood. So, what I need is a notepad. Then we have to insert over, but only if cuz. Enable inserter. It looks like this. Less than 25. There you go. Fill it up. We need 2 buddies right here to fill in this. Oh, you need lubricant too. Why'd I've caused myself problems. This should not surprise anybody. They should be used to my problems. Here, just copy, paste. There's your lubricant. Alright, so for this trick, I need you, and you, you, and you, and you. Alright, we need what? 2 monolayer, 5 electric engine, 5 red circuit, 5 5 belt, 5 SSP. I should check in on SSP. It's going to be one of our limits right now. Anyway, this is a lot of stuff stacks to 200. You stack to 50. So our number is 2, 5, 8, 15, no, 13, 16. Our number is 16. 3,000 divided by 16 is 150, I say. 300, 500, 500, 500, 500. Okay. Is this good? Does this work? This is a 1,000, 13, 18. Yeah, it's kind of underdone, isn't it? Well, there's a lot of gaps, so alright, I suppose. Mr. Dinosaur, come with me. Let's finally make this bit of infrastructure. I want you to go get probably monolayer first. Are we out of monolayer? We're out of blue. Is monolayer not kept here? That'd be weird. Wish I had more of that stuff. Super steel's up. That's really good. We found belt. Congratulations. Go get 500 belt. And then we need probably red circuit. It's real close to belt. Load items, red circuit. Then we need, probably we wandered right by SSP when we did that. There's ASP. There's no SSP. That's kind of a problem. 500, of course. Then electric engines are in the 5 stack right there. Get electric engine quantity 500. Where's my science? Why are we faltering? I wonder if that's not enough fat brains. And then monolayer's in a weird spot, isn't it? We're out of copper cable for some reason. And tin cable. There's monolayer. Should probably investigate that. Okay, now you have all the things you need. Come here, circuit condition, comparador equals go, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, great. Like so. This complex machine, ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Absolutely fantastic. So now, what I need is to have a supply. Really? You're out of range? You're just barely out of range. Wow. Here, you get your own roboport. Bam. You are now in range. Weird turrets are getting destroyed. Must have been a really good hit. Alright, so we did the thing. We built bulk inserters. Congratulations, us. Are we low on vat brains? No. Yes. I figured it would be like that. And the transition period is going to be a little rough, I suppose. I need more. Need you to go faster. It's going pretty fast, though. We are in a bounty of brains phase. Alright, go deliver. I'm gonna have to keep doing this. We're out of copper, huh? That might guide us going forward. Where are you, copper wire maker? Not enough copper. Oh, look at that. That's no copper. No, this is something wrong. No hydrogen peroxide. Okay. I vaguely remember looking at that and kind of thinking about it the other day. So, is this an actual problem? Anthraquinone. Anthraq. No, you were just pegged. Alright. These are Mark IIs. And you cannot be prodded, you can only be sped. Alright, let's go do that then. Probably should have checked to see where I was running. This is fairly early, right? Kind of this era-ish. I found it immediately and then cannot find it now. I am too far south, maybe? No, that's ethanol, and that's too far east. How did I find this immediately? And then, oh, right there. Ah. Not be able to find it again. Alright, so what's our play here? We just don't have anywhere near enough. So, fix that. Five, 3. That handles those. And 5, 3. It gets both of that. That's unfortunate. We'll move this one over a little bit. Until it no longer catches. Alright, good. Better. Then everyone has a 5, 3. And you're kind of going double. As much as I would love to prod this for extra efficiency, that's probably not going to happen. Oh, what's going on here? This must descend. Right there. Okay. Now everyone's covered in a comfy blanket of a 3-5. Everyone's moving at 180. There, hydrogen peroxide's up now. I wonder why this was a problem before. Wait. How was it completely full before and not now? Am I missing something here? Doesn't make much sense. Alright, let's take a look. Anthraq. Yeah, that should definitely help things. It's actually quite a lot. Why isn't this up yet? Why are we not yet ready? And so hydrogen peroxide. Yep. And yep, that's a good jump. Great work. Provided we can keep it fed. And then this is... And now this is all going. So what's our problem? We have no grease now. Probably a co-problem. So, Gliese. Gliese is made right here. We just don't have enough. Like we're just not making enough grease. Is there any better way to do this? There's two ways. Twofer it into a little bit of grease, but I don't think I took that. And then just low distillates with lubricant. Or there's this, I suppose. Nixlet plate, lard, and a lot of lubricant makes 100 grease. That's not very good at all. That's very expensive, actually. It's not what I want. So, do I have any space around here? Kind of a silly question, isn't it? Grease. Why'd we stop? That's probably because no peroxide and it completely backed up. No. No lubricant. Ah. Okay. Etching solution still going, right? Not at all. Needs more peroxide. And peroxide we just touched. In fact, we're still standing on it. Where's this going? I don't know. Maybe this is enough. Don't look at it. Alright, we have a lubricant problem now. And that's this. You're not spinning. You're not winning. We're out of wax. We got the good lubricant recipe, and you're just not going at all. Because we can't get rid of the bitumen? No. No hot air. Right. So it all loops back. Okay. Well, it's a good thing I'm fixing this up. Go get some electrolyzers. Go get some more regenerative heat exchangers. Alright, good thing I got completely distracted there, right? That was a good thing. We traced all those things out. Maybe we have bulk inserters by now. I don't know. I can't tell what's happening. It's like it keeps looping back on me. It's a circle. It's a flat circle. Have you made any bulk inserters? Answer, no. You're waiting for SSP to show up? That's kind of a problem, isn't it? Oh, that's nice. So what's the problem here with SSP? We're waiting for blue circuits. Blue circuits, we're waiting for microprocessors. And microprocessors, we're waiting for not this. This is new. Oh, and this loops back to copper, and copper is ultimately hot air. Alright, I'm on it. So I kind of need the bulk inserters to get the hot air, though. I don't like this. I guess we just have to wait for him to advance a little farther. It's bringing a lot of special small parts. Let's continue hooking this up for a little bit, right? Thank you, thank you. Oxygen, not a problem. Good. Alright, so we want to hook all these guys up. 1 to 1. So let's start with 250 right here, right? This is 250. That should get plugged in right there. There. 250. We can see it. 250. It reads 250. And this is our buddy 1000 right above it. Yes. So we just hook that up right here. Good. So this means 750. Should be pretty easy. And 500 is next. There you go. And we're going to check all of that. Because if it's wrong, it's a big problem. 1,000, 250. This is a little hotter than normal. Hmm. Wonder what's going on with that. Probably I'm not going to think about it. All right, we need a bunch of bricks. How many? Like, it's 1,000 in each one, right? And we need bulk inserters. How do we manage this without all of these heat exchangers? How did we do this? So we put the stone bricks in right here. Oh, we need to get the outlet gas in. That's the other part. I think, anyway. This looks right. And we should probably get this going then. Here. We're going to steal this line from up there. Like this guy. There is no need to have 2 dinosaurs when 1 will suffice. So I'm not sure if we're going to get a major accomplishment today. Like, I'm not sure implementing better nitrogen counts. Meaning, this is just chore day. Dun dun dun. There you go. Now we're going to need some salt in too. Should be able to just tie that in though. Right here. Ah, tech happened. Kind of feel like I should research better copper. Right? Because we're kind of in the middle of a copper crisis. Alright, so that's done. Excellent. I could get a gift for myself. That would be really nice. This is a really nice gift for myself. And this is also really good. Just invest in going faster. This would probably save the mostest time at the cost of I don't know what I'm doing right now. I guess that's the answer then. If I don't know what I'm doing, I shouldn't invest in getting stuff faster. Right? So, oh, what's this? Oh, this is what I was looking at. Requires diesel, which we have. We just reduce it. One of these things, it becomes more copper, maybe. High grade copper becomes 60. I forget what it is right now. Or I can go to super alloy. We're just going to assume that this is a problem with grease. And we're going to need biopolymer, but... Ah, and there's the null gas colony growth. This is needed for next level stuff, so maybe I should get that. Does it open up anything interesting? Not really. Where's blue belt? There, this is almost there. So, super alloy, I think. And we'll have to make these things. Yeah, it looks pretty super to me. Good thing we have infinite fuel rods now. Alright, research that. As always, the question is, what was I doing? So we have to get better nitrogen in. That we can do. What do you suppose this is? Oh man, so tired nowadays. Oh, sleepy time of year. Just go lay in bed. No thoughts, only sleepy. Alright, so you're helping out. It's good. It's good to help. Suppose I shouldn't worry about anything. I should just go get a whole bunch of bricks. How many bricks do I put in? I had this number in my head, right? So we have like 20 in each, say 80, and then some on the belt. It's like 200 in each. That's an awkward number when it comes to bricks. Well, if it's 200 in each, then 16. That's more than enough. All right, let's go. Let's go deliver some holiday cheer. It's bricks for Christmas, kids. Everyone knows what to do with bricks. The problem is, it's going to be difficult and annoying. Can I just do this? And then just pick up one and just shove the bricks in. Just pick up one, shove the bricks in. Pick up one, and, well, I didn't get enough. That math, I supposedly did in my head. I kind of didn't. I just made math-like noises and walked away. I'm sure everyone here has been there. This is for you. We're kind of stuck at the speed of how quickly we can make the regenerative heat exchanger. Oh good, I have some spares right here. Good. One brick at a time. That's how you build a wall. Right there. And then right there. Okay, great. And a lot of these just, they ain't working right now. Don't ask why. Alright, we're kind of done. Where's the hot air come out? I suppose I should ask that. Oh, it's nice and pressurized. Nice and toasty. Straight from the crackle-oven. Right there. All hooked up. Okay, you're all helping now. Helpy hot air maker. Where aren't you going? What's your problem? I gave you bricks. What's your problem? Is 250 bricks insufficient number of bricks? That's a terrifying idea. Like, no. Oh, you need bulk inserters is what you need. Alright, never mind. It's because we need ways back in. Which we don't got. Which I'll work on. Where did I put... Oh, sneeze. I put it right here. Good. And then I'm just going to pick them up as special orders from now on. Oh, wait a second. Oh, I just want to stay indoors where it's nice and cozy. For probably several months at this point. Man, I've had a rough season. Like, nobody died, but I'm pretty sure Christmas wasn't as cheery as it could have been for just about everybody. This could have been a lot better. There we go. It wasn't through Grinchery either. It was just through biological failing. Which is how it goes. Alright, so we've successfully done the thing. More hot air with the frowny faces. Let's go see Kamutz. Then we're going to come back and we're just going to keep monitoring this as time goes on. Kamutz. How are we doing here? Oh, we already got one. Oh yeah, nice. Doing great. 60 products, already one super commute. And we're gonna need lots of these guys. They swarm. Ugh, just think about the sound. Alright. And you are continual to process? Yes. So long as there are brains to absorb, you will absorb them. Good. So we got... Here, just... You go drop that. Just keep telling them to go drop. They're not being distributed symmetrically. Because this one's getting half, and that one's getting a quarter, and this is going to be the one that runs out for it. Look, it's already run out. We're going to have to keep doing this until it's properly charged. Or do a proper splitter here into fourths. That's kind of silly, isn't it? Yeah, the bonus is really important, isn't it? Looks like science is just going now. We've got a whole... Maybe we should pay attention to production science. We're chewing through that pretty fast. That's alien enzymes. Oh, we're still going. Nice. Looks like we're really well charged, too. Looks like we should open up the other wing. We're gonna go do that. Let's go do that. And have, that going, quote-unquote, full speed. Right here. Oh, and then we're going to run into Vonix problems, right? Because of, that's what's next. Good. Alright, this is now going, and that will flow down, and we're making more alien enzymes. We're going to run out of Vonixes. Like we will. We'll be out of the worms. I mean, this is what the worms are supposed to... What's supposed to happen to them. But still. You want to go to right here, and this guy is waiting for 400 of you. Which we have a couple times over. Alright, I gotta keep watching this, I guess. I think it's time for our nitrogen problem, right? Oh, and that was probably crashing out because the bees were out too. Alright, so we take cold, clean air, and we turn it into an astonishing amount of nitrogen. Like nitrogen. Nitrogen recipe, comma, the only problem is it's real slow. Good news is we can speed that up. Bad news is we probably need to make this. Cold air, cool air. Because our cold, clean air area, oh, it's being completely drunken down on its way to helium. And there's a better helium recipe coming, right? Something dry stream. Coming soon. And this will get us our cold, clean air back. So maybe I don't have to be using that at all. It's a thought. Let's go take a look at the candies. Go look at the plutonium mixer. Is this backed up in a weird way yet? No. Looks like it's flowing forward gloriously. It's not stopped up anywhere. It's just everything is great. We're spinning to win right here. Oh, we're almost out of plutonium oxide. Wonder why that is. Oh. Because we're not making any primary plutonium oxide anymore. That was all waste from recycling. And we don't do this anymore? Question mark? Oh, the heat is full up. Didn't I have a plan for this? Does it really matter? Why are you not heating the thing to the temperature for the thing? Why do you not heat the thing? So this really is just utterly useless. Here, let's go replace it. Just pick it up and put it back down again. And that will keep it going for another many hundred hours. Alright, that's fine, I suppose. Just gonna pick it up. So it's just utterly useless because of temperature flow. It just crashes it back down. Huh. Heat exchanger should really kick in 10 degrees earlier. Alright, so this is going to eat some 296. That's alright. How are we doing here on fuel rods? No, we still have endless need for this. Huh. Well, that's unfortunate. Where are we stopped? Is there something I can do about this? Need lead container. Lead container is completely stopped because we need aramid fiber. Aramid fiber is stopped. Shouldn't be stopped. Is completely choked up. Why? Because the seeds are rotting out faster than we can clear them. I can kind of believe that. We have plenty of fruits, but they're going to rot before they get to the place, right? So we have this line right here. Oh, it doesn't free flow. It only vents some of the time. Well, that's terrible. Alright, let's go see if we can figure out what's going on here. And then return to cold, clean air, which I think we decided that we're just going to overburden right now. And then try to get to the next level helium recipe. That will shift us out of cold, clean air. And then the cold, clean air can go entirely towards hydrogen, nitrogen going forward. But we're over here now. How strange, yes? Right here. And this is not venting properly. Just not right. It's going into a bottleneck. Okay. So we're just gonna abominate a little bit here. Pay no attention to me. Just abominating over here. No, it's okay. There's nothing wrong. I was born this way. I was born to abominate. Yeah, this is some spaghetti. Now that's good spaghetti right there. Now it's just shoveling it in. Good. Okay. Much better. Now this will flow and maybe the fruits will reach the surface where they'll be used. Here, you're going to get a bulk inserter now that these exist. Maybe it's faster. Kind of looks like it's faster. I mean, it's hard to say. The pulses are thicker, but there's more in between them. Well, it's definitely faster overall. Don't fight. Don't fight. I need you guys to actually use those. Yeah, see, they rotted out. Don't fight. See, they're rotting out. But soon. See, okay, there's just chunks. You can see them blot out right before our eyes. I need you guys to share. I need you guys to actually do this. Alright, so this is just pulling them off the belt will make everything go faster. So we're in a virtuous cycle now. Alright, so aramid fiber was all messed up. All messed up and a giant problem. But we quote-unquote fixed it by making it more terrible. Great. Cold, clean air. Right there. I see it. I see it. That is right over here. Cold, clean air. Can I up production here at all? The answer is probably yes. I have enormous... and nobody here is using prod, which is kind of criminal. Have a 5.2, my friends. There, it gets the entire thing. And some biofilm. You can't be prodded either. What's wrong with this cursed world? Need to go even faster. Are you good? Just keeping up? Kinda. Kinda. It's struggling hard. Needs an extra buffer. Alright, there you go. That's how you know it's working. I've seen little flashes of red, so that's probably good. Alright, so we're making cold, clean air. And this can't be prodded. Alright, so we need wet scrubber or just a scrubber? That's a wet scrubber. Got a cough. Cough-a. A little better every day. We need activated carbon for this, which we have here. It also has to be sped within inches of its life, which maybe we can put in right here. We shift this all up a little bit and just build this as an add-on for the cold air area. It's an interesting thought. And then just speed them, just speed upon speed upon speed until they're making 1,000 a second. So wet scrubber. That's a pulp mill. Don't get that confused with a wet scrubber. You will look very foolish. Okay. So maybe my dream is just 2 of these. Building all of the nitrogen for all of the factory and putting them on site. If I'm gonna dream, I should dream fantastic, right? And it's just on site right here. I fit it in somehow. Where'd you go? Alright, so your new trick is you do that. And that's an astonishing amount. It's only making 200 nitrogen a second, but it's taking in nothing. Alright, so what I want is take all you guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's about right. That means all of you guys. Oh, and it doesn't work right there. That will make it work. I'm telling you, we will make it work. Okay. There. And that gives us some space. Here, have some film. Alright, so we can probably put 2 in. And then speed module them within inches of them lives. Kinda need more space in between. Why are we stuck? Did I clip something? Was our way out over here? That's probably a good question, right? How did this stuff get out? Ah, probably through this. Probably this was the way. Probably this was how it was done. This is how it was accomplished. There. Better? We kind of just don't have the space, do we? We'll have to shove it in real tight. Oh, don't worry. It's gonna be okay. Well, maybe not. Alright, so these guys need to be calmed down a little bit. Now, the only bad part is these guys aren't going. Why did I not fix this? Why did I not do that properly? Why I no do the thing? Alright, we're kinda doing this all wrong. This is still only 1,000 per. Taken together. Going at speed 10. It's only 1,000 nitrogen a second. Compared to over here, where that's... we have many thousands of nitrogen a second going right there. Oh, you need to be sped too. Alright, so now we're up to 1,500 coming out of these guys. Do I believe in this? Is this not enough? It really feels like not enough. I also don't know what to do about that. So I guess we start... oh, we can't do this. Oh, so we have to do this then. That's alright. So I suppose we have to just kind of try to make do. I wonder if this is a waste line or a producer line for carbon dioxide. And the smart thing to do would be to investigate. He says, conspicuously not investigating. Okay, right there. So this is going at a mere 15. Why can't this be just faster? I know it makes a lot, but still. What am I looking at here? Where are you going? Where are you going? This doesn't look like a waste line. No, it's a supplying line for nylon. Somehow we don't have enough. Oh, okay, for a very obvious reason we don't have enough. Alright, don't look at that. It'll probably be fine. Final answer will probably be okay. Then we have to go get activated carbon, which does exist right here. Oh, except I don't want to do that. Kinda slipped. So it's like 90 minutes now. Oh, we even have nitrogen right here. we can definitely get by with just a long handle inserter. Okay, there. Everything you could possibly want. It's just making astonishing amounts of nitrogen, which we will try to tap in right here. This isn't actually astonishing amounts of nitrogen. It is not even doubling what we have in place right now. And this is also super ugly. This entire tangle of pipes. I really just need more producers, right? There you go. Slowly draining out. I was going to have trouble draining out. Oh, is this not a true nitrogen line? Alright, we gotta look at that. Not a nitrogen production. Oh, this is a nitrogen consumption. Oh, look. It's yeah. Yeah, you're kind of not going to need to do this anymore, are you? So we need to come over here and make a pumping station. We need a pump. And we need a measurement. So when this pump is less than 12,000's our number, I want you pumping. Then we have to take nitrogen not that far. And then plug that in. Alright, it's properly regulated for a primary producer of nitrogen. We must still be mindful of this, even though way deep in the tech tree like this, we don't have a lot of waste products. Maybe that's what I can do. I can add more waste products in to pi3 and prod sci. I feel like we haven't had to deal with side products for a while. Alright, what am I doing? We're going up there. So we've kind of gone about as far as we need to go. Okay, is good. Is getting good. It's getting real good. Is that cold, clean air also coming by here? Yeah. Okay. Now just hook it in. There. All is one. Now, hopefully this isn't going... okay, good. It's going through another pump right here. And so if it's filling to 12K, it's going to be used preferentially. Which I suppose is correct, right? Go look at it one more time. Ba-boom. But to look at it, one must find it. And to find it, one must know where they are. And that's not really possible over here. Alright, so you're having trouble. So into this tangle. Oh, we really shouldn't have hooked this up, huh? Here, create a loop. I don't want to do that. So you are now relieved of biofluid problems because we don't want them to loop back. So kinda sorta looks like everything's okay. It's way pressurized right here. It's under pressurized under there, so we've added more. Why are all these guys going? Oh, these can fill the pipe all the way. So these are used with preference. These will be used first, and the other one only kicks on after. I can live with that. That's fine. Because for the moment, at least, cold, clean air, cold, cool air is more important. What's the problem here? Why are we stopped? Why are we stopped? Can't get rid of the nitro... Oh, it's a loop. I ought not have done the thing that I did. Oh, and I should probably put it back somehow. This has to be a top-up. That's how it's supposed to be. Now I gotta flush. This will bring it back to life. Good. Now we'll keep space in here, and we keep going, and we bypass it, and we keep it off of the biofluid network, and everything is okay, right? Everything is just fine. Imagine if I could transfer all of this to nitrogen as it was made. That would be nice. For right now, this is jammed up. Nitrogen problem solved. We should go finish the Arqad Uplift. It's been a while. I'm kind of out of things to do. Again. I need the super alloy. I need to distribute these vat brain cartridges more equitably. So we keep running dry up there. Alright, time to kick the whale again. Time to kick the whale again. Looks like this has just been cranking. Yeah, go deliver. Go do good. And go do good by science. And it's going to be a long time eating through our inheritance here. Alright, what more do you want from your inheritance? You want it to last. Oh, and all of this is good. Maybe need more stem cells. Should probably think about that. Stem cells are made up here, yes? We need more xenogenic cells. And xenogenic cells are made right here. And we are going as hard as we can at the moment. Making 12 a second times 6. So 72 a second. And this eats a lot faster than that, so we're probably not making nearly enough of these. Alright, noted. Oh, there's many other ways of making these. You can make them from anything. Oh. Yeah. I don't want to make them from plasmids, though. It's kind of expensive. What's the next level for xenogenic cells? It's got to be... I can just research it. And it'll give me something to do with the keratin, too. And a better bioprinter. And better lots of stuff, honestly. This is all with plasmids. What's the best one? Skin's pretty good. Bone meal's fantastic. Why would I not do that? I'd probably switch over to this recipe. Oh, it's slower. That's why I wouldn't do it. So this takes 10 seconds. And so... yeah. But why is bone meal so slow? Why am I so tired all the time? I guess it's just time to start looking around the factory a little bit, huh? Now that everything is under control, maybe I should check out regenerative heat exchangers? No, hasn't been made. Why have none been made? I hardly believe that. You. Oh, we need small parts. They're just getting eaten elsewhere, I suppose. Alright, it's gonna have to wait. But take that. So I guess what now? We have to wait on this. Waiting sucks. That guy dropped already? Shouldn't everybody be getting your cartridges then? Yes. Okay, everybody's got cartridges. We're even overflowing right here. That's how it should be. I'm not really feeling the gotta add in more vat brain consumers right now. Not feeling like a priority. Let's go take a look at copper. See if hot air has worked its way down. I mean, this looks good. The next copper recipe, I guess. We take a cube, we make it into 50. Wait a second. High grade copper goes into molten copper. It's 1 to 50. But then if we go look here, high grade copper goes into reduced copper. And that's 1 to 60. So that's really only a 13% gain. That's it for this step. It's not very good at all, guys. I'm very underwhelmed. It's just weird. Shouldn't that be at least 50% for a whole new tech step? Just kind of weird. Unless you could prod some step in it. And that's where it comes from. Nope. No. It's just not good. Here, copper. Copper 3. We're doing this. It's even the same amount of time. That's not great. That's very, very not great. All right, let's go mess with grods. Let's go check around. Let's check all our uplifts first. Let's walk the entire row. I think Arqads are the most impactful right now. All right, Kamuts. We have one hero Kamut. It's perfect. You're doing great. Right here, we're not talking about cotton guts. Wobbly boys are doing great. Arqad. Oh, look. Ooh, we got a hero Arqad. How many of these do I need? I have to turn them into maggots. Here, hold on a second. So I have to take one Arqad and turn a Corlex into a nest. I'm sorry, Mr. Corlex. I don't even know if I breed these guys. And that will make one nest. And one nest will become 20 eggs. I only need one of these, right? And then 20 eggs. 20 eggs become 16 maggots. And then 16 maggots become... Yeah, I only need one. We're finished here. I should do this. So the way to do that, I guess, is kind of clip this guy. And then we want to repurpose all of this machinery, right? Only we need Corlexes instead of Ulrichs. Alright, well, let's just do it then. Nest Mark III, right? Yeah. So where do we get the filled comb from? I had them on me for some reason. The empty comb comes over there. Where does the filled comb come in, though? Oh, I suppose that's... Well, no. Well, okay, let's go look. Ulrich. Ulrich needs filled combs. They must come in right here. Oh, they do. Okay, got it. Alright, so we're going to have to give some Corlexes a really bad day. That doesn't happen here. That gets made in a ranch. So this gets picked up. And this is going to be a giant problem. You make now these guys. And then you raise those guys. Right? Yeah. Okay. So that's all right. We just need to go get an easy squeeze ranch and then reprogram a dinosaur to get Corlex instead of Ulrich. The Ulrichs will be so relieved. The Corlexes will have more complex feelings. Give me this. Okay, great. And then this heat pipe can go back. I don't know why I don't carry it on me now. Right. And we haven't uplifted Corlex at all. I don't even know if we breed Corlex. Let's go take a look. We probably should, right? I mean, we're going to need them eventually. We have to make one of every animal. Alright, so right here. The answer is no. We just milk them. Where do we get them from then? Just like right here? Oh. This is the uplifter, and we have uplifted. The only problem is we didn't need to do that. So where did we get our Corlexes from initially? Kind of an uncomfortable question, isn't it? I guess we stripped them from the South Factory? Where are you? A building that's used only a couple times. The Easy Squeeze Ranch. You are too small, friend. I guess this is what you gotta be doing. And we're gonna have to go get all of that stuff. Oh, and you have to give him energy drink too. Alright, so this entire dinosaur needs to be reworked. That's alright. You just stop. Then all that needs to be taken away. And all this old stuff needs to be picked up. All that is old is simply old. There you go. Alright, we need quality Corlex food and Corlexes. That's basically it, right? Clear out the last gen bees. We have a whole bin for them. We're going to have to clear those out too. Alright, there you go. Those are up and going. And you're not going to need any milk. For obvious reasons, I suppose. And now we need like a Hall of Heroes. There you go. Heroes meaning stuff I don't love anymore. There you go. You take that. You take that and that and that. And the Ulrichs also lived there forever. Thinking about what might have been. What'd I do with all my energy drink? You can't have those. I need those. Here, have some Corlex. We have some normal bees now. It really sucks that we don't grow Corlex. That's kind of an issue. Just throw the bees in a blender. Throw the bees in a blender and walk away. Oh, you guys too, I suppose. Bees deserve it. No pity for the Arquads. We still don't have enough venom, huh? And it's not a speed problem we have over here. Maybe it's a speed problem we have here. We have enough rocks, finally. Oh, maybe we can put in our super rocks here. Maybe that'll be helpful. Next door. I don't know. I'm just shoveling the rocks over. Just the Arquad life cycle is good for no one. Alright, so I gotta put all this stuff back, including all the stuff that's in that dinosaur over there. And we probably have to breed Corlexes. Okay. You probably keep the combs, but I'm going to put them back anyway. Alright, so combs go in the wax comb maker. Right here, right? Don't we collect them over here somewhere? Where else would we do this? Right here? Oh. Maybe this will get rid of it. Just running back and forth. Answer, no, it did not get rid of it. Alright, we have a few on us. That's fine. Then we need to get rid of bedding, which is right here. Do you have the bedding? You have the bedding. Gotta get rid of pony food. That is in the food stack. That's you. That's you. Gotta get rid of ponies. Ponies themselves. And that's right here. Oh, we can't. Finally, we found a place where we can't just get rid of them. Well, you know what that means. You guys gotta go be glue. Sorry, not my rules. I have no room for the happy chirping ponies. I'll figure something out. Figure it out by getting my stuff. Probably should have taken all of that. Oh well. It's taking forever. Time dilation murdering me. Thank you, thank you. Alright, good. So, next. Pick this up. We have to make Corlexes, huh? That's like the magic... Well, okay, the magic ingredient is Arquad. Oh, and we have to program this too, so okay. Magic ingredient, quite a few things when you get down to it. And you need to be blue. Bada bee, bada bo. Alright, so what do we need to make this work? We need energy drink, and we need quality Corlex food. Energy drink I can hand over. We need quality Corlex food now. You guys, you have to watch. One of you is infested. This is 1 energy drink, 2 food. 1 energy drink, 2 quality food. Okay. So you have a slightly different route. Oh, and you also need filled comb. 5 filled comb. So I think I'll just keep the existing ratio because I don't think it matters. We don't need bedding anymore. We need Corlexes too. 1 Corlex. So this is more complicated than I thought it was going to be. We don't have any Corlexes anywhere. Getting ahead of myself, hey? So we have to make a Corlex breeder right here. Okay. To be continued, I guess. I'll be back. So, how do we build a Corlex? Why did I not build a Corlex before? Corlex. So we make pups in a repo center, right? Probably. We have many different ways of making it. Fish hydrolase, fish emulsion. I guess it just doesn't matter, does it? Because this is only going to feed bees and then later on to be making perfect samples. So we don't need a huge amount. So I guess we just go get one repo center and a pile of easy squeezes. And then we just kind of make our Corlex maker. One repo center, one easy squeeze. Here, notepad, you don't have to be here anymore. That's going to be undoubtedly enough. This feels like killing time, unfortunately. It does not feel like I'm making tremendous forward progress. Alright, so you're going to be making Corlex pups. And it's a very clean process. We're just going to do this. We're going to do basic, absolutely basic, making Corlex pups. Snag some more of you. Oh, many coughs. I'll feel a little dizzy. Not 100% yet. That is very true. And just raise basic Corlexes, please. All right, so you eat 0.3 pups. You make point, so we can put 2 of these down. Okay. And we need still more. And this will make very few Corlexes a second, but we don't need a lot of Corlexes a second, so yeah. It's going to be like one Corlex every once in a while. And that's fine. And what do you need to grow up? Corlex food, Tufra, and Cacalc. And you need Corlex food and Tufra seeds. So we're going to have to write this down too. We need Corlex food. We need 2 specialty barrelers. That's unfortunate. And then Tufra and Cacalc. And do I really want to do anything more fancy? Am I going to regret cheaping out here and not just doing this, just doing it? You know, just do it. I mean, maybe. That's really complicated, though. Let's just do it the easy way and see if I have regrets. You know? Let's just do it simple, stupid. Without any concerns. Alright. There we go. And then we'll have specialized barreling machines on the outside. And we'll have a special outpost right here that'll collect the Lex. And that's it. Alright. Okay, let's get this started. So what's our number? What are we doing? We need 2 Corlex food, 10 Tufra seeds. That's not so offensive. And this is 5 Tufra, 1 Kicalc. We probably want to double that, right? Just to have the proper ratio. And then you are going to be out, out, in. Out, 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 out. And there we go. And then we'll have the fully raised Corlexes on the other side. We'll put the barrels up and down. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we need a number. That stacks to 50. That stacks to 50. So our number is 20, 24, 34, 36. Kind of unfortunate. It's actually really unfortunate. I guess we gotta go get 100 each. This is very small scale, artisanal. Not sure I believe in this. One row. Seems to be leaving a lot of space. I mean, it is. Which is why I'm seeing that. Which is why the suspicion is happening. It's because it is an accurate representation of what's going on. Congratulations. You have basic level apprehension. I want... We're out of Grod. That's probably an issue. Load items. Calc. And then we want... Might take this a while to spin up. I guess it doesn't matter much. Tufra. Load items. Tufra. Then load items. Tufra seed. 500. And then Colex food. I guess this gets to be the announcement of the day. B's level 2. B Mark 3. Where do I put the Corlex food? I make all of the food. Is that it? No, it looks like a can of soup. Ah, right there. 200. Then you come all the way here. We will wire this up, and that will be that, yes? Unload, 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 unload. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 200, 500, 500, 200. Off you go. All right, so this will happen. Thank you. And we will start making these things like we should have done long ago. So Corlex comes out. Now I have to deal with barrels, unfortunately. This is where the ride ends. In a box. Alright, so now you need 2 barreling machines and you have to split them, and that's great. You need 1 barreling machine each. Alright. That part I can do. Who has the specialized barrelers? Right here. So we will go attach this, and it will be good. Oh, you don't need to be sped. You're going to do just fine right on your own. This guy needs to be special. Alright. We should probably be aligned. Or else, why are we doing this? So it's impossible to align things on this. Oh, I hate this building so much. Okay. 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 All right, we need probably 400 barrels. Go snag those, wire it up, and then be done. Actually, we're very close to being done. Maybe I'll call it early. We don't have a huge amount to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do some minor chores at the end. It's like the factory's just churning. It's just everything's baking right now. So long as I don't get involved, everything's going to be fine. One, thank you, autosave. Yeah, that's what I needed. Clank, clank. Clank, clank. Alright, so you guys just want water, right? And the other one wants just water too, for a little bit. There is your just water. And then one of you wants water and the other one wants fish hydrolysate. So I guess that means you are water. And the fish hydrolysate we make as a byproduct of fish, right? Just make sure it's right. Hydrolysate. We have emulsion, which is different. Hydrolysate, that's what we want. All right, so draw the line over. Right there. Okay, good. And then you are filling up, and you're the one that has to change. Okay, you're ready, you're ready, you're ready, you're ready. We should really be taking these and moving them all the way south. This is not going to make many Coilexes a second. Nah, there's nothing we can do about it. Except, you know, build a proper Coilex maker right here. And I think I'm going to just cheap out instead. Sound great? Alright, so we're kind of bottlenecked on that. Have to have that build up a little bit before we could run the bees forward properly. Oh, you're here. That will make it work. I guess I just kind of wait on this for right now. I suppose I could set it up and then just have it start whenever it kicks in. It's going to be a long time. I have to build up at least a full load of Corlexes. I feel like I should centralize them. I shouldn't just pretend like this is going to be the only place that Coilex is made. I get the feeling it's not going to be that easy. And what... Don't I treat them with drugs at some point? Yeah. And then at some point I get something special out of them? No, not you. Oh, I probably shouldn't guess, right? Like, why would I do any of this? Is it like supposed to be a stepping stone onto, oh, it's the next step over too. Oh my god. Here, let's take a look. Perfect. Perfect sample. There we are. And it's glandular myocluster? No, it comes from an aug. It would be something to do with being cold, right? No, not you. Cytogland? Yeah, there we are. Yeah, so we need to get them, we have to get the cyto gland out of them. Which means we're almost certainly going to have to build a better system. Which means I should just not be lazy. I should do it properly. We obviously don't have any Corlex bins. Like, why would we? We got a lot of worms. It's more than I thought we would have. Especially since I know we have to be eating our way through them. So you get to be dinosaur hungry. And you, for now, get to go grab these Corlexes, assuming they exist. And you come right here and you empty that cargo. And that's your job. And so I guess we let this go a couple days. Let that fill in. And then we finish uplifting the bees. So we don't even get the bees as a... oh, look at them romping around in the snow. So, good. This is at making it 0.30. Oh, wow. We completely underdid this. It's 0.02. So we're going to make so many pups. Alright, so this has to... yeah, this is a problem. So the entire time is going to be spent raising them over here. I suppose I could finish the uplift. Make it go slightly faster. Whatever. Just let it go. No need to think about it too much. So bees are on hold. Which is unfortunate. I should be pushing boldly forward with the bees. And you have to chill until we have at least one stack of Corlex to go. And then I'll go get everything else here. And then this will bring level 3 bees over. You need to be rigged up. Like so. What's it doing? Red. Blue has to be... so it has to have some weighting down there. Okay. And then it starts snatching and putting it in here. That makes sense to me. Alright. I kind of feel like wrapping up. So... let's roll this one up a little early. We've done okay today. I mean, we've researched tech, we've implemented tech. What more do we want? I am looking for a thing that exists here. Oh, it was our no regenerative center, no regenerative heat exchangers yet. It's kind of distressing. I suppose we didn't need much more hot air. It's pressurized now, so good. If we go look at science, it's not being made here, but it doesn't have to be. Where's this guy? You're waiting for SSP. SSP is doing what? It's waiting for glass? What's wrong with you? Oh, you're both on your way. Are they just kind of in a little bit of sync? That's just crossing Nexlet, and that is Nexlet right there. Or is that guy going back out? Where are you going, my dude? Or maybe he dropped? Huh. You are on the weirdest route. Anyway, did you make it? No, okay, so they arrived just in time. Not to overlap on each other. Well, that's good. We were probably low on hot air for this for a while. Now we have 2 entire loads arriving. They were probably in sync because the bottleneck was hot air. Here, we probably see that. Glass, fib. Yeah, look at this. That's not so great. Maybe it's still not going to be so great. We'll have to watch it. So that's kind of our bottleneck right now, right? Why aren't you going? You're not going because no aramid fiber. Aramid fiber is not going because no manure bacteria. Oh, I don't want to think about that. Yeah, really don't want to think about that. So we need more manure bacteria. I don't think there's going to be a clean way to just buff this, so I have to go make another one. Probably right here, right? We have an independent poop line right here. So, yes, that is almost certainly what's going to happen. All right, I want to wrap this up. Go do something else. Gotta work today. Got a lot of stuff to get done. At least the year isn't starting off screaming. Not yet, anyway. Gotta go take a trip soon. Not a happy trip either. Alright, so I need... Okay. What did we do today, ladies and gentlemen? Well, the big accomplishment is we sort of kind of doubled hot air. We need to go get more regenerative heat exchangers, but that will trickle in over time. After that, we kind of just puttered around. We got nitrogen as our tech of the day, and we implemented it right here. And that didn't quite double nitrogen, and it doesn't quite work well. But it's a good step in the right direction. After this, we just kind of noodled around. There's a lot of little stuff we did. Just throwing down beacons left and right, as is the way of our people. Oh, we should have finished off this biosample area. Then we observed that we finally rolled our level 3B, and we started working on that, and we realized we didn't have Corlexes being made anywhere, so we made a really cheapy Corlex razor just to feed them to the bees. And that's great, I suppose. That's coming. I could have sworn I did something more in here. Doesn't feel like enough for a day. Don't know. Anyway, kind of a lazy day. Kind of just at the mercy of tech right now. I need to research a little bit faster, or to be at least one day behind. But what's coming next will be super steel, super alloy. And that's the gateway to blue belts. Oh, we made bulk inserters in there. That was another thing. Really tiny, though. It's going to be needed later. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Talk to you later. Bye, everybody. Bye.